In this video, I'll be showing you how to make table of contents in Word. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can really just do it on anything you're using Word on. So I have my document right here, and firstly, it has to be formatted properly. So all you want to do is highlight your main header, then press this little arrow like right here, and we're going to call this heading. Now, anything smaller like subheadings, we want to put over to heading 2. So just do that for all of them. Of course, you can change the sizes of them if you want to as well, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that for any of these. And then once you go ahead and do it for all of them, you're just going to have to, do one very simple step. So I only got 2 more left. But once you go ahead and do it for all of them, you want to select where you want your table of contents. So let's say I want mine here. All I've got to now go ahead and do is go over to references, and I'm going to see table of contents right here. It's going to show me different ways I can have it. But let's just say I want this one right here. As you can see, the table of contents is now here, and it shows the pages that it's on too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials as well.